Look, you don't always need to time the bottom perfectly to do well in crypto, but as long as you can still capitalize on opportunities like the one we're about to see right now, you can still do well. So in this video, here's exactly what I'll be covering. Number one, we're going to be going over why Bitcoin has been pumping and the key triggers behind this latest move. Look, before we get into all the fun stuff, this here is so important for you to understand. This is because for the crypto markets to do well, Bitcoin needs to go up and still hold these type of levels. Next, I know y'all be loving my predictions, even if I'm mostly wrong half the time. So in this video, I'll go over my predictions on what I believe is most likely to happen next within crypto and exactly how I'm preparing myself so you can follow the same game plan too. Third, we need to talk about the altcoin season. This is where majority of the gains will be made. It's the riskiest, but it's the most fun. And it's generally where we've seen people turn a couple $1,000s into millions of dollars. Look, gone are the times where you can just throw a little bit of money into Ethereum and, become a millionaire. I wish those times were still happening, but the game is getting a lot harder. And all the recent millionaires that I've met, they've made their money from buying into the right altcoins at the right time. So if anything in this video, that's the section you're going to want to pay most attention to. But I know it's going to get even juicier than that because we're then going to be diving into my new updated plan to make millions. But not only that, but we're going to be covering all the changes in this new meta that we're going through, because what's worked in the past for us to make all that money won't work again in the future. So this section, I'll break down my unbiased, raw, real truth on the plan that you can truly follow along in this new upcoming season. After that, I'm going to be going over the next altcoins and projects that I'm currently watching. Some of these are going to be safer bets. Some of these are going to be higher risk plays, but I know a lot of you guys are unsure of what cryptos to be looking at. And in this section of the video, I'll be covering that in extensive detail. Last but not least, I'm going to be going over some principles, or what I call words of wisdom, on things I genuinely wish someone had shared with me much earlier on. These are biblical based principles that have changed my life, that I apply within crypto, that have helped me to capitalize on all the varying trends. All right, so let's get started.